चलो सर, चलो. So again, I hope I'm audible, visible. So very, very, very good evening to all of you guys, and welcome to Oliveboard. So we'll be doing the mock analysis of the last weekends actually, like the CGL mock, right? So first things first, how was the mock, everyone? How was the mock? You guys attempted the mock. How was it? How was it? How was the mock? Audio, video clear. Thank you, Reena. Thank you so much. The mock was good, I hope. I hope the mock was good because the mock was not very difficult. Sorry. The mock was not very difficult. Chalo. So mobile price, number of customers. Acha, you see, this is called cumulative data type. This is called cumulative data, sir. Meaning this is all getting plus. Less than 5,000, and this is less than type cumulative data, less than 10,000. Less than 10,000 means less than 5,000 is also included inside less than 10,000. Okay, let's see. What is the ratio of total number of customers who purchased mobiles between 25,000 to 30,000? How to do that? 25,000 till is 27 until 30,000 is 34. So only in between this will be said 34 minus 27, that is 7. Now, number of customers between 10,000 and 15,000. So 10,000 and 15,000 is this. So it is also 7, sir. 19 minus 12. So the ratio is 1:1. Hai kya? Let's see. I can't see the option. Option C is the answer, sir. 1:1. Yes, Reena, you are again absolutely correct. Next one, sir. Again, A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC formula. Again, there are many approaches to this question. Again, first things first, value putting to nahi chalega. You cannot do it by value putting because multiple equations have already been given, 3 equations. So to figure out values which will kind of satisfy all 3 equations, it's very difficult. It is very, very difficult, right? So what you do, sir, whenever you are seeing they are asking you this cube, cube, cube. So for that, now we only have one form. So that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. XYZ value we know. Don't worry. So like I'll convert that later on. So it was x plus y plus z into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now let me say one thing. Many people, अरे देखो गड़बड़ कर दिया मैं एक्स वाई की जगह मैंने लिख दिया this. So this is yz minus zx. Now many people like to do like write this in different ways. So they as that you can figure out 4 to 5 formulas. Generally we use 4, sometimes 5 formulas. But what I'm saying, I'm absolutely against remembering 4 5 formulas for 4 5 questions. उससे अच्छा है sir, let's do a couple of lines to figure out. Remember x square plus y square plus z square. It's very simple to figure out. How, sir? X plus y plus z. Actually, I'm showing you the how the formula comes. So this is equal to x plus y plus z whole square. You see, minus twice of xy plus yz plus zx. If you guys can remember this. If you guys can remember this, because this is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So if you put it there, na, you will get, sir, x plus y plus z whole square. 2 times is there and 1 time is already here. So it will become 3 times xy plus yz plus zx. Just put down the values, sir. Everything we know, sir. Sir, x plus y plus z is 3, sir, into. This is 3 squared is 9 minus 3 times of this. So this is equal to minus 4. Minus into minus, minus 4 into minus 3 becomes plus 12. Right? 3 fours are 12. Perfect. Now this is equal to not this. This is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. That value also I know 6. That means minus 18 this side. So this will come to that side and become plus 18. So that will be your answer, sir. So 9 plus 12 are 21. 3s are 63 plus 18, sir. Plus 17 is 80. So 18 will be 81, sir. Option number C. Option number C, 81 is the correct answer. 81 is the correct answer. Perfect, everyone. Perfect, everyone. Chalo, sir. Let's go ahead. Anyone? Have you solved this? Arey yaar. Sorry, lag gaya. This is not the answer, okay? This is not the answer. I've not just, I was about to. Acha. Arc length is given, radius is given, 19 and 10. Sir, what is the area? Say area of any sector is equal to half into length of the arc into, sir, radius. That is given, sir. That is a very, very, very important formula. SSC last year also asked one question on this. So area of the arc is LR by 2 half into length of the arc into, sir, like this radius. Okay, sir. Very, very, very simple. How this comes? From basic unitary method. From basic unitary method, sir. So just put this, sir, 5. 19 into 5, sir, 95. That's your answer. Option C is the answer, sir. Option C is the answer, sir. Yes, Reena, LR by 2. Absolutely, LR by 2 is the answer. LR by 2 is the way to go, sir. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Chalo, sir. Now, a container holds V liters of mixture where milk and water are in the ratio this. 20 liters of mixture is removed and replaced. So replacement concept. Replacement concepts are, you can go with the cross multiplication method. But many of the people, like students, do not understand the why we are doing that cross multiplication. 3 ratio 2, then it became 7 ratio 3. So 3 ratio 2 becomes 7 ratio 3, and said this is 20. So 3 threes are like 9, 7 twos are 14. So 5 is equal to 20. So 5 into 20. So you go it like you go like that. So 3 into 20, 60. So 5 is, so 1 is 12 liters. 1 is 12, 5 is 60. 60 plus 20, 80 is the answer. But again, I can give you the answer like this. But again, you don't know anything. I cannot teach anything, right? So better kya hai, sir? Let's understand the things. Let's understand the concept. 80 is the answer, wo to mil gaya, sir. But again, just understanding answer, just figuring out the answer is not enough. We have to understand. So for that, let's take basics, sir. Sir, if the mixture is 3 ratio 2, and if I like kind of remove something, replace something, so that this 20 liter. Sir, if I say milk and water, sir, right? So in this 20 liters, whatever I'm taking out of this, so that will also be 3 ratio 2. That will also be 3 ratio 2. Please understand this. That will also be like in this 20 liters, the ratio of milk and water wo bhi 3 ratio 2 rahega. So that means how much milk, sir? So initially out of V liters, this was 3V by 5 milliliters milk, 2V by 5 liters of water. 20 liter mixture removed. So that means what milk will be removed, water will also be removed. But I have told you guys what. So replaced with pure milk. So I'll not calculate for milk. I'll only calculate for the easier one, that is water. Because water I have only taken out. I have not added any water. I have added only milk. So this is the water, sir, minus sir, 20 liters of mixture, 20 liters in this ratio. So 3:2 means, sir, it will have 12 liters milk and 8 liters water. So minus 8 liters. This is water, sir. Sir, what will be milk? Sir, in replacement only one thing is constant always. One thing is always constant replacement. में क्या sir? Total volume will be V. So total volume was V. This much is water. So remaining part will be milk, na sir? Sir, minus plus 8. This is given as, so water, milk ratio water 7/3. So this will be 3/7. Calculate normally, sir. So I'm just writing it here. 7 twos are 14 V by 5 minus 56. And this is 3, sir. This is 3V by 5, sir. 5V minus 2V. So 9V by 5, sir, plus 3 8s are 24. So that means 5V by 5, meaning V is equal to 56 plus 24. Here also we are getting 80 as the answer. So option number D, 80 is the answer, sir. Option number D, 80 is the correct answer, sir. And I hope this is absolutely clear. I hope this is absolutely clear. And the shortcut, that method, if you have like kind of grip on that, the cross multiplication method, go like this. If you have not, then better you go like this. This is more conceptual. Sphere, radius of a sphere is root 5 times of the radius of another sphere. The ratio of surface area. Sir, surface area of a sphere, surface area varies as r squared, sir, because you see 4 pi r square is the formula. So variable is r square. So if ratio of sphere, like radius is root 5, that means sir, r square will be 1:5. So it will become, sir, 1:5. Smaller to bigger, na? Acha, bigger to smaller, they have told us. Bigger to smaller. Again, you see, they have told us to find the ratio of bigger to smaller, sir. So bigger to smaller means, sir, 5:1 will be the answer. Option C. Option C. Reena, acha, we will discuss cross multiplication once then. Okay? In a class, I'll need a class. It's a very simple method actually. It is a method. It's rather than understanding. It is more about what? More about this is the technique. This is how you do it. That is the approach. कि ऐसे करना होता है. You see, here we have done the basic, like in the way we have solved, we have used the basics of replacement, the concept. It is kind of more mechanical, but again, very short. अच्छा एक सेकंड ये ना और थोड़ा जगह चाहिए. Now, in WXYZ is a point on XY which is giving this. Okay. WXY. That is XWZ. Acha, sir. This is Z. So these two angles are equal, sir. Angle bisector theorem ka question hai. Just by looking at this, you can say, right? WX is 9, sir. WY is 14. XY total is 20, sir. Okay, perfect. So length of XZ, they are asking this. They are asking you this. Can I say one thing? एक चीज देखोगे? Sir, whatever is this ratio, this is the same ratio. So 20 will get divided in the 9/9:14. So this part I can directly write, sir. It will be 9 parts out of 9 plus 14 parts of 20, sir. Directly कर दो, sir. 9 by, this is how much? 23 into 20. बाप रे. Sir, 180 by 23. 555. 6 times तो, sorry, 7 times, 8 times. 8 times नहीं जाएगा, sir. 7 point something will be the answer, sir. 8 times नहीं जाएगा. 7 point something means option A is the answer. 7 point something will be the answer because less than 8 times. So answer is option A. Answer is, sir, option A. ये क्या हो गया? अच्छा ऊपर था. A quantitative variation questions. In my classes, I've shown you guys many questions. In CHSL, CGL, that tree wala question, cost of a tree, vary is the number of rings, varies is number of age, 3 proportion. So it's a basic one of that. A quantity q varies as x square and inversely by y, meaning 1 by y. So that means what, sir? Q1 by Q2, it is equal to x1 square by y1 into, sir, opposite I'm writing, sir, y2 by x2 square. Division. Put the value, sir. Q is 12, Q1 is this, x1, y1, all the values I know. Sir, put the values. Q1 12. Sir, x1 is 3, that is a 9, y1 is 2. Perfect. Now, what is q? Meaning they're asking the value of q2. When x is 6, that means this is 36, 6 square, and y is 3, sir. Anyone will say, sir, ye to ban jayega. 3 12s are this, 3 4s are this, 3 3s are this, 3 4s are this. So q2 will be 4 4 16 to a 32, sir. Q2 will be, sir, 32, option number A, sir. Option number A, sir. Yes, Reena, very, very good. Very, very good. Very, very good. Chalo, sir. Tara marked the price of a gadget 40% above the cost price and then applied two successive discounts of 25 and 20. So total net discount will be how much, sir? Net discount will be, sir, 25 and 20. Let's use AB theorem, sir. AB theorem is saying A plus B minus A into B by 100, sir. Right, sir? So this is 45 and this is the 500 by 5, that is 5. So net 40% discount Tara had given. Now, 40% above cost price, then 40% discount. Loss of this, sir. If these two values are the same, na, you see, one value 40% above, then again 40% below. So net loss will be there, sir. Here also you can use AB theorem. So plus 40 minus 40, you can check. It is always x square by 100. So plus 40 minus 40 plus minus 1600 by 100, sir. Why I have written this? 40 into 40 after. So this thing cancels, double zero, double zero. So this is minus 16%. That value is given to you as 464. They're asking the value of 100% because profit loss, everything is percentage of CP. 16% is this. So the answer will be 464 by 16 into 100, sir. 16 twos are 32, 144 is 9, sir. 2900 is the answer, sir. 2900, option number A is the answer. 2900, option A is the correct answer. Very, 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 very simple. Very simple, right? Very simple. Moving on. Anything you get stuck, please ask me. Please ask me. So 9 to the power, this is this. Array. Sir, let's do one thing. Very good thing. Sir, 3 to the power. Acha. So you can figure out, you do not need both. You can figure it out either from here or from here. 3 to the power, so 9 means 3 square. So it will be 4x minus 2, sir. Multiplied this power. So this is equal to 729. 729 is what? 9 cube. 9 cube means 3 to the power 6. So powers are same. So x is 2, sir. You don't need to check the second one. If you check, you will get the same thing. You can check. X plus 2, 81 means 3 to the power 4, sir. Meaning, sir, 4. X का value तब भी 2 आएगा, sir. So 3 to the power 4 I have written mistakenly. It will be 4. Okay. So you can check either one of them and just get the answer. Just get the answer, sir. Yes. Just one equation is more than enough actually, Reena. Very, very good. Chalo, sir. आगे बढ़े. We are going slow, na? अच्छा क्या बोला? Mixers sold by 8 different companies. Let's see what they are asking. Total number of mixers sold by all 8 is X. Find the value of X. Find if the difference between the average number of mixers sold by B, C, and H. B, C, and H. So 8 and 7, 15 and 18. 15 plus 18 means that 30 plus 3, 33%. Average means by 3, that is 11%. That is the average. Average number of mixers AEF. A is this, E is this, F is this. 20 and 80, so 28, 28, 7, so 35, 45, sir. So average will be, sir, 45% by 3. That is, sir, 15%. So this difference is of 4%. That value is given to you is 200, sir. Badhiya. So they are asking the total. Total means 100%. Sir, 100% will be, sir, if this is multiply by 25. This side also you multiply by 25. So the answer is 5,000. The answer will be, sir, 5,000. The answer will be, sir, 5,000. Done, sir. Done. वो देखो ऑप्शन बी में बैठा है. ऑप्शन बी में बैठा है, सर. Option B is done, sir. Option B is this. Correct, sir. Correct. Moving on, sir. The number of students in section C is this together. Acha. C 20, 21, 22. Data picking is something that you need to do carefully. This one is what percent? Section B 18, 19 together. Section B 18, 19. 110, 147 is what percentage, more or less? No, nothing. So just percentage. Offset 75 into 100, sir. You don't need to do it, sir. The answer will be slightly less than 50%. You see, 75 twos are 150. Slightly less than 50%, whichever is the answer, वही मेरा आंसर होगा. But I guess गड़बड़ कर दिया मैंने. This together 50%. अरे यार, देखो मैं पागल कितना बड़ा हूं. Sir, it is more than just less than double. So just less than, sir, like 200% will be the answer. मैं भी पागल हूं. मैं भी पागल हूं, sir. Just less than 200%. वो देखो 196 बैठा है. 196% will be my answer. Right? On Monday, Chintu gave some of his candies to his brother, therefore left with 24% of total number of candies he had initially. Sir, Chintu had 100 candies. So he is now left with 24%, means 24. So that means brother को उन्होंने 76 दिया. Chintu has given 76 candies to his brother. 100 में से 24. So remaining, so 76 he has given out. This is on Monday. This is on Monday. On Tuesday, what happened? He bought 20% more than Monday, meaning he actually bought 120 candies. Gave 25% more candies to his little brother. So that means to Tuesday ko kya hoga? He will give 1/4 more candy. So this will be 5 by 4, sir. Sir, 4 19s of this is 85, sir. So 85 candies he will give to his brother. So 15 here, 120 here, 35 candies he has left. Right? Now, and thus he left with X% more candies than for Friday, Monday. X is closest to, meaning they're asking 35 is what percentage more than 24? That's the simple question. Sir, how much more? It is 11 more. So the answer to your question is 11 out of 24 into 100. Sir. Baapre. Options, options, options. 4s are 96. 14, 144, right? 140, sorry, 144. 96, yes, 140 by 24, na, sir? So this is 12, this is 70. This is 35, this is 6. So it's very, very close to 6%, right? So 446%. है क्या? Huh? What is not right, can anyone say? Something I've done wrong? Have I done something wrong? अरे यार, अरे यार, sorry. My mistake. Completely my mistake. I have made a very big error. 19 into 5 को I've written 17 into 5. देखा, जल्दबाजी करने का चक्कर. Sir. That means now he will have 25 candies more. 25 candies more he will have. So that means increment of not 11 but 1, sir. Increment of 1 out of 24. Your answer will be 1 by 24 into 100, sir. 4 6 are this, 4 how much, sir? 425 are this. So 4 point something percentage. 4.2 is there in the option 3. Option C is the answer. Option C is most definitely the correct answer, sir. Option C is most definitely the correct answer, sir. Chalo. Now, two runners A and B run on a 600-meter circular track. A completes lap in this, B in this. B starts 20 before A. How many seconds? अरे सर ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल है. सर्कुलर ट्रैक चाहिए नहीं सर. दिस इज सर्कुलर ट्रैक just to confuse you. Sir, this is the distance, the one track length. 60 second means I can get the speed of A, sir. 600 distance by time. So that is 10 meters per second. And B is going this 600 meters in 100 seconds. So distance by time. That is 6 meter per second. Now B starts 20 seconds before A. So B starts 20 seconds before A means how much distance B will go in 20 seconds? Every second B goes 6 meter, 20 seconds में this much. So this much. Now A, if A wants to catch B, A has to cover up this extra length, the extra distance by using, and same direction A is chasing. That means direction same means the relative speed will be said 10 minus 6, that is 4. So this much seconds they will need, say 4 5s of this, 5 6 of 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, B will catch A. Sorry, A will catch B. So 30 means option A is the answer. Option A 30 is the correct answer. Option A 30 is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Very simple again. Very simple questions. Right? Very simple questions. Chalo. The area of isosceles triangle is given, equal sides given, perimeter पूछा. चलो. Height भी निकाल लो sir. Equal side 3, 3. This is 2, this is 2, sir. Because total is given as 4. Total is 4, sir. Area is given as this. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let us do one thing. So this height, can anyone tell me? So it is root over of 3 square plus 2 square. Sorry, 3 square minus 2 square. 3 square minus 2 square. That means 9 minus 2, that is root 5, sir. So that means the area will be half into base. Base is total, sir, 2 plus 2, 4. Into height is root 5 units. Acha, I should know, because otherwise you'll get confused. K here, K here, K here. So just to give this a mathematical look. So 4K, K. Otherwise, this K square, if I do, I'll say, sir, how did you do it? So this is 32 root 5, sir. Root 5 cancels. And sir, this 2, this is 2, sir. 2, this is 2, sir, 16. So K square is 16, K is 4. Not plus minus 4 because all our lengths cannot be negative anytime. Anytime in the near future. So what is the perimeter? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10K. So 10K is, sir, 4. So answer is 40, sir. Option C. Option C, 40 is the correct answer. Option C, 40 is most definitely the correct answer, sir. Okay? Moving on. 5-digit number A, B, C, D, E such that B is to E. Okay. A 5-digit number, everything is a digit. Meaning digit means it has to be from 0 to 9. Nothing more than that. C is odd prime number. Acha sir. Understand. Now, acha, let's do one thing. Just remember, A is thrice of C. A has to be again what? A also has to be one digit between 0 to 9, not more than 9. So odd prime numbers can be what, sir? Not 2, 3 it can be 5, it can be 7, 9 is not there. So only three options. The problem is, what problem? If I take 7, then A is 21. One digit is 21. बहुत मारेगा. So 7 it cannot be. Again 3 5s are 15, it cannot be. Only this is possible. So C is 3, sir. C is equal to 3. A is equal to 9 automatically because from this equation. And D will be 2C, sir. D will be 2C means 6. D is, huh. Achha, so B is D minus 2. So B will be, sir, D minus 2 means 4, sir. 6 minus 2. B is 2E. Huh. So E will be B by 2. E will be 2, sir. Khatam. Number is divisible by it. So number is A, B, C, D, E. 9, 4, C is 3, 6, 2. It is divisible by options you see. So 2 से तो most definitely divisible. Definitely divisible by 2. 3 से divisible, sir. 9 gone, sir. 4, like 4 plus 2, sir, it is divisible by 3 as well. It is divisible by 2 as well as 3, sir. I can get this 5. You see how? 9 is divisible, 3 is divisible, 6 is divisible. 4 plus 2, 6. That is also divisible by 3. So it is divisible by both 2 as well as 3. So the answer will be, sir, option number B. Option number B, sir. Not more than this. Chalo, sir. A alone can complete a piece of work in 9 days, but works according to a pattern of 2 days of work followed by 1 day of rest. Acha. And B can complete the same work in 12 days and works continuously without any break. Acha. A and B start together and follow the complete, like their pattern. Sir, so day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, at least 3, 3, and so on. Sir, first day, how much work will be done? For that, no, sir. For that, sir, I need to take this else, like their individual efficiencies. Individual efficiencies is 1 by time ratio, so opposite kar do 12 ratio 9. So 3/4 of this, ratio 3, sir. So A can do 4 units a day, C, like B can do 3 units a day. So total work also please figure out. Total work. A is doing 4 units a day for 9 days. So total work is 4 into 9, 36 units. So meaning in order to complete, they need to complete 36 units. Now day 1, A, B both work. So that means they will complete 7 units. Next day, sir, again 7 units. Third day, sir, A is not working. A has taken a break. बहुत काम कर लिया, now let's take a break. But C is working, C will do 3 units. So this is my packets. I told you, you must in these situations make packets. So here also 7, 7, 3. Fourth day 7 because A works for fourth and fifth day. C may, like sixth day, again the same thing. So every packet is equal to, sir, how much? It is equal to 3 days every packet. And how much work is getting done, sir? 14 plus 3, 17 units. 17 units of work is getting done. Acha, so that means 2 such packets. This is 17, this is 17. Meaning, sir, 34 units is done. So 2 units of work is remaining. Now, who will do this 2 units of work? Sir, next day, on day 7th, who comes? Sir, again, A and B both will work. Now, both when work, they can complete in 4 plus 3, 7 units every day. They can complete 4 plus 3, 7 units every day. Right? So that means in order to complete 2 units, how much time they will take? They will take 2 by 7 days. So your answer, so 3 days here, every packet is 3 days, 3 plus 3, 6 days, plus 2 by 7 days. Option number B is the answer, but again, a printing mistake, it should be a bracket. It should be a bracket. Yes, Reena, you are absolutely correct. You are absolutely correct, Reena. Very, very, very simple. Very simple question, right? Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. Next one. When the sides of a square are made 1/4 times of the original side, the area. Sir, side, whatever happens, area is square of that. 1/4 means it will become 1/16. So option D. Option D, sir. It is a 1 second that I've shown you. I've discussed in detail in my classes the area, like the concept of this, the concept of this ratio techniques. In mensuration, right? Chalo, chalo, chalo. Next one. Numerator of a fraction is 1 more than 6 times the denominator. 32 resultant. Okay. So if the denominator is x, numerator is 1 more than 6 times. So 6x plus 1. This is how Bapre. If 32% of this is taken, 32%, 32 by 100. Sir. The resultant fraction, the denominator becomes equal to 125. And the numerator doubles. Numerator was this, so it will become double. 2 into 6x plus 1. 2 by 11 part of the given fraction. So meaning I need to figure out value of x. Value of x चाहिए sir. Value of x we need. First things first. First things first. Sir, हटा दो इसको. हटा दो sir. Why? Because there is no chance this is 0. If 0, then fraction itself is 0. So x is equal to, sir, x will go that side. So 32 by 100. And this will come this side, meaning 125 by 2. So 25 fives are this, 25 fours are this. 4 into 2, 8 fours are this. So x is 20, sir. So fraction was, sir, 6 into 20, 120. 120 plus 1, that is 121. Right? By, sir, 20. 120 by 20. Huh. This was the fraction. Acha, 2 by 11th part. Now that is what I'm saying. Yes, 2 by 11th part. Tab jaake na jana aaya. So this is 11. So 11 by 10 means 1.1, sir. 1.1 B is the answer. 1.1 B is the answer. 1.1 B is most definitely your correct answer. Next one, sir. Simplification question. Sir, cube root of 2744. Sir, it is 14 plus 15 into 10. Sir, this is 1 by 8, sir. 1 by 8 into 640 is equal to this plus 8. Sir, it is 290. Arey aaja. Sir, this is 290. 29 into 10. This is 80, sir. It minus 8 is equal to this. This 8 I have taken to this side. So this is 210 minus this is 202, sir. 202, that is option D. Option D, sir. Raghu Chon. Arey, badhiya. Perfect. Your answer is correct, brother. Your answer is absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, you are. You are absolutely correct. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Chalo, sir. Next one. Next one, sir. Sir, in and out concept. Very important concept. We have done many questions on this, right? Many questions. Average age 15 men, 32 years. One man leaves, result new average becomes 31, sir. Sir, first question I always asked you to ask is why? Because the new man, like the new person who has joined, that person is younger. By how much? Sir, 45 say younger tha. It is, he is younger than the man he is replacing. By how much? By so much that he is causing a difference of 1 year for all the 15% in the group. All the 15% in the group. So this is the age, sir. 30 years. Done, sir. Option B is the answer. 10 seconder. It was a 10 seconder, everyone. If you have taken more time than that, then it's a problem. It's a problem, sir. Sir, some 10,000 split equally, sir. Equally splitting means 5,000, 5,000. One half interest, 6% 3 years, simple interest, meaning, sir, 18%. The other half earns compound 10% 3 years. So 10% 3 years, like you must know this, 33.1%, right? We all know this. By using AB theorem, we'll get it. Total interest, sir, 33 plus 17 is, sir, 50. So this is 51.1%, sir. Of how much, sir? Acha, sorry. अच्छा ठीक है, 5,000 का 18%, 5,000 का this percent. So 5,000 का ही total होगा, sir, because both cases this is same, sir. This is the same, sir. So 511 into 5. So 2555. Right? That's the answer. That is the answer, sir. Very, very, very simple. Option B. Option B. Yes, Raghu, bilkul. Perfect. I've also done it like that. Only the unit place has to be 5. The unit place must be 5. Very simple. Person different at a distance. Distance they have asked. Sir, what they are asking? Find the central angle made by the distance traveled by auto, 15%. Sir. Every degree, every percentage is equal to 3.6 degrees. Again, how to figure this out? Sir, 3.6 ka 10 into 10 is 36. Into 5 is half of 36. Done, sir. 54. 54 degree will be the answer. 54 degree is going to be the answer, sir. Option B, sir. Option B. Next one. Sir, again, sir, this is a template question of value putting. All 4 answers, you see, they do not like have any x, meaning this thing does not depend on the value of x, meaning you can put anything in x. So only thing you need to remember, the denominator should not be 0. That way, like we should be like out of the jail. Sir, best value tan hai sir 1 बैठा दो. 1 means x equal to, you put x equal to 45 degree. So cosec 45 is root 2, sir. Minus this is 1 by root 2 sine 45 minus this is 1 sec is root 2, sir. So root 2 will like LCM ऊपर चला जाएगा 2 minus 1 minus root 2. So the answer is 0, sir. Option D. Option D, sir. नहीं चाहिए रघु रघु रघु. You don't need it, brother. Brother, I told you in my classes मैं चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोला कि you need to have the understanding to use both. You must be able to understand, like solve it normally. Sine cos में to like you can do it. Again, sir, you must be able to solve it whether like when you don't need to use any identities, na. You must be able to solve using by putting value as well. So you should be flexible from both the directions. कुछ भी पूछ ले, sir, I will do it. Let them ask whatever they want to ask. Answer will be able to do. Okay. Arun sold an article loss of 20 such that the mark price selling price, sir. Sir, mark price selling price, it is, sir, 10:9. So this is 10, this is 9. Okay. Now, they're asking mark price to CP. 20% loss. It means, sir, 100 rupees CP. Sir, SP is 80 rupees. Right, sir? Right, sir? You can either make this ratios equal or you can say, or you can simply say, sir, ये सब नहीं करेंगे. Let's use the modular method that I've taught you. Sir, this CP will be, sir, SP is 9 rupees. 20% loss means this represents SP. SP is 80 here because 20% loss. I need CP, put 100 here. So this is 5 by 4. 5 nines are 45 by 4. So they are asking what? Ratio of MP ratio CP, sir. MP 10, CP is 45 by 4. Sir, 4 se multiply 40 by 45. That is 8:9, sir. Done. Done, sir. Option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. Perfect. Yes, Reena, Raghu, you guys are absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, you guys are. Sir, last question of the day. Arey, sir. Theta acute root 3 by 2, meaning sir 30 degree. Cos 90 degree, 3 theta means cos 90 degrees, sir. 90 degree cos is always 0. Option B is the answer. You don't need pen, paper, anything for this. You do not need pen, paper, anything for this. एक सेकेंड का क्वेश्चन था. Works, Raghu. That also works, brother. 100 minus discount by 100 plus, like plus profit. That also works, brother. That also works, brother. Okay, but again, I personally don't use that. I have a very big allergy towards using formulas. ठीक है, normal मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. And you see ना, it is not taking you. If something formula I also use. I should not say I don't use formula. Where the difference between the like in terms of time, the difference between using a particular formula that I have taken remember separately and the normal conceptual method. If the difference is huge, then I'll remember. Just for example, I have the example of the formula that comes right like on top of my mind. Sir, CI. If I ask CI minus SI for 3 years, the formula is PR square by 10,000 into R plus 300 by 100. I always remember the formula. Why? Because I know 2 years I can manage with AB theorem. 3 years में sir, it बहुत difficult होता है. So if I don't know the formula, it will be very like lengthy in that case. So these formulas you must remember. Brina, need a little bit. You need a little bit of understanding, more like kind of. You must give a little bit of like more effort into this. You must practice a little bit more. That's all. That's all. Okay, sir. Okay, everyone. So that was our mock solution for SSC CGL. The calendar is out, everything is out. So definitely this is the time to put your foot in the accelerator. Perfect. So again, now before and if you guys want to make any purchases, just a very good quick announcement for you guys. Just a very quick announcement for you guys. Be it RBI, but again, so this is in SSC also throughout our like this thing, you will have throughout this the website we are having a sale. We are having a sale of this. Okay, so we have just crossed. I'm just showing it from here. Okay, we have just crossed 25 millions like family as all in Oliveboard. So the throughout website, anything you purchase till 20th of May, you will have a flat 55% off. This is the celebration that we are having for crossing this landmark. Okay, so anything you want to, like if you want to make the purchase of Super Elite, which is very like it will be a one-stop solution for you guys. So for SSC, for railways, for anything, please feel free to like make the transactions, make the payments before 20th of May. Make your purchase before 20th of May. So they like you'll never get this much discount in the coming future, right? So again, this will be a very big opportunity for you guys. So again, thank you so much. I will then see you guys in classes. Tomorrow I'll be bringing the NTPC mock solution at 5 o'clock only. So again, thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye from my end.